4 new changes to stock Google applications. This is what I'm going to be covering in this video, and we're going to be starting with the very first one, which is the Google Phone app. Now bear in mind I'm using right now the Pixel 3a running on the latest Android 12 Beta 1. Okay, so always check your versions. Let me open the phone up and show you. One of the new things that you can find here, click on the hamburger menu, go to settings, and now finally the caller ID announcement option is available. By default it is set to never, but once you click here you have 2 options. You can set it to always, and this means that every time you're gonna get a phone call, your device is going to read aloud the name. And of course, the better option, you can only use this one when you are using your headset connected via Bluetooth or via cable direct to your phone. So caller ID announcements, bear in mind that I'm running the version 6603744, and I also checked my Xiaomi phone, which also has the Google Phone app, but this is not yet available there. The second feature I want to cover is something new in Chrome. You're browsing some interesting information, this time is the Cyberpunk 2077. You want to share it to somebody, you press share here, and a new screenshot button unveils. Now pay attention what happens when I press on the screenshot. I will be able to do the screenshot. I do also a crop, right? So you can also do a crop, and you can move the crop, okay? So let's say I want to crop this part. Okay, I can still do some more edits. I can click the text button and I can type some text inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna type check here. Okay, you can change the color of the text. Okay, now you can rotate this one. Okay, you can make it bigger. You can also copy and paste this, duplicate this, and you can of course delete it if you don't want it. You can also save it, and then last but not least, guys, you have the option to draw something. And again, you can choose your colors, you can choose the size, right? Very easy. Then you can save it, and then press next, and you can share it. And the best part of it is it will not going to be saved on your gallery, so you don't really have to fill up your phone with screenshots you probably do all day like myself. The third feature I'm going to show you guys is in Play Store, and for some reasons I don't have the latest functionality on my Pixel device. So if you go to my apps and games, you just see the old design. You have the updates, the installed app, library, beta, share, and etc. Now I'm going to take my Samsung phone here, I'm going to go to my apps and devices, and voila. So we have an overview tab and then a manage tab. From the overview tab you can just check the status, know how many applications, scanned by Play Protect, how many updates are available. You can also see details, you can go back, you can press the button and update them all. You can share apps with nearby share, you can check ratings and reviews. How many apps did you review, how many reviews you posted, and of course you have access to your storage. This is very, very fancy. And then you have also the Manage tab. From the Manage tab you can sort them and you can try to uninstall them. If you don't like some of the application, you can just delete them. This is very, very handy indeed. Now for some reason I'm still having the old design on my Pixel phone running Android 12 Beta 1, but hey, that's the beauty of Android. Last but not least, feature number 4 is something new in YouTube. Let me just show you. When you open YouTube, guys, and when you click here on the description, you usually get something like this. And this is the old style description. Now for some reason, the new description doesn't really work on all the videos, but let me just open one of my recent videos. If I open that one, for example, that I did today, and if I'm to click here the description, you're gonna see the new style. How many likes, how many views, and the date of the publishing. If you have chapters, that's gonna be also displayed down below, and you're gonna be able to browse. I'm not sure why it doesn't really work for all the videos, but it does really work for most of the recent videos. If I check my video that I created yesterday, I'm gonna check here, see 31 likes, 360 views, and it was published yesterday. And again, down below you'll be able to find the chapters. Now guys, these are all the updates right now for the stock Google applications. If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe for the channel. Please stay safe, you and your family, and with that said, we see you over and bye.